Hi everyone, welcome to BK CIANDRE Beijing showroom.
This is Daisy.
This is Angela. Today we're going to show you our newest 2022 Italian kitchen design. So for good kitchen, we need to have good wood board and good hardware and good countertop. So this kitchen design we combined with the new generation daily life for the smart needs and also for space-saving collections. Also, when we have friends together in an open Iceland, we need a very good space-saving we are using for parties. We need to take out things from the cabinets, and then we have people go and come. So this system from Italian Hawa, they solve this issue. And this is very welcome for the new generations. So also for the smart storage of the from Kesseböhmer, okay. And from this these cabinets we combined with the Kesseböhmer's space storage collections, and we collect with the smart the touch sensor for the LED lights. So here we display more of the functions of the hardwares, like for forks, for example, for here we use Kesseböhmer's for place for forks. The big advantage for this is you can see all those things you can take out to move for cleaning. And also when you have friends, you can take out these full units of plates to the Iceland. Yes. So you don't need to take one by one, which is very convenient for parties. And sometimes you have to take out this,
and it's easy to clean.
Yes, cleanly. And you want to replace, to move the display of the
moved here.
Yes, you can put this here. This is very easy for cleaning. And very convenient when you put a
and
big.
It's edgeable.
Yes. So all the drawers wear soft close. From here, you can see this is a very strong collections also for plates, for forks, for chopsticks. So all we use the soft close. And also you can see from here, all these drawers, this part we can disassemble to, instead of to cleaning the inside of the drawers, and you can put back. So which is very good for house cleaning, right? So for house ladies, this is their favorite, right?
Yes.
You see, all are very easy for clothes. This is a glass drawers, so the fitting when you close the drawers are super. So also down here we use a couple of like touch open of the Blum drawers, which is very convenient when you need to take out something and you need to put back the plates. It's very convenient.
Yes.
So just one push, close.
Yes.
So a good kitchen design needs a good wood board and a good hardware and a good countertop. So this kitchen design, we are combining the top brands of from Germany Rehau and Italian Lapiltec and Italian Hawa system and the Germany Kesseböhmer. So this is already a super kitchen for young generation. So thank you. So here we're going to introduce our new Italian design all-panel B.All system. So first, this is it's a modular because all the wings are with numbers and the height. So it's a all mounted system. It's not just a board to all, but it's a full system. You can to mount it to the all. So the free combination of the LED lighting, wood drawers cabinets, and the glass cabinet. So you can combine as what you want. So later on, we're going to introduce a very special design of the cabinets. We should say tall cabinets. You can put in different kind of
functional cabinets.
Yes, you can put in
Because you can put in kitchen and also dining room. And also even your
bedroom.
Bedroom.
So it's a multi-function combination. So now we are going to introduce a very interesting product, which is between kitchen and the wardrobe. You know, we want to bring some kitchen factors to bring to the wardrobe system. So it's a combination, and you can see many factors here. You can see for example, here we are making a good combination with LED lighting, glass layers, and the leather finish layers. And here is a very good balance of wood board, glass, LED lighting, and the natural leathers. So you can see the sizes of the doors is a different. Like this is 2.7. And the waist is 75. So here we use a very big angle of the balloon hinges. So when people come here, it's a very, you can see.
If only 90 degree, and we cannot, you know, the space is the limit. But if we change the hinge to the
165.
65.
So
then it's easy to cross.
Yes, right. And then you can see here, this is 75, 45, 75, 2.7. This is a very interesting size balance. Okay. So here we're going to see our open closet room. So this is a very similar like our all-mounted TV-all system, because each of these is the numbers, and the height we can maximum to as the actual height, and you can freestyle of the glass layers and the luxury and jewelry drawers and the pants drawers. Those are you can combine it as actual client's needs. So this is a very easy installation in the waist and the height. The waist is 900, 600, 800, but height, it can be added as what you want. So this is a very good product for furniture brands and for projects, as walk-in closet becomes very important for the young generations. So also here, it's the same we installed here. So it's a small unit, but it looks very warm, and you have many functions. So this is for clothes, for jewelries. So for
you can select everyone you want.
For tires, right? So I think for me, I think this is a very space saving, but more modern fashion, but you still can store a lot of clothes and small things, right? So for personally, I like more of this type of, instead of the original wardrobe.
Traditional one.
Yes. And here we're going to, you know, there's one part of people, they still like, in some occasion, they want something with a door.
Yes.
So this is our new design, which is with leather door, leather wardrobe door. So here we also add more functionality, like for hangers, for clothes, which is very high, but you can see, and you can take clothes very easily, right? Where you want to put out is just do this. That's fine. And this is for locker.
Yes.
So you still have clothes to here. Maybe we can come closer to see all the design we put this, because in some cases we have to clean some dirty things, right? And you see, very important, what we are different with the traditional Chinese designers is that we are very Europe designs with this is 165 angles of hinges, and on the top we put 2 hinges on the top, because this is a leather door. It's a little bit heavier. This is a 25 thickness. So we put 2 hinges on the top and 3 hinges here. So in total, we have 5 hinges.
Yes, yes.
But this is 2.7. But sometimes people want to put more. But this is also okay, maybe here. But 2 there is already very stable, right? So this is outer and indoor, all are leathers. So here we also put some functionals for tires. So this here 2 things is that we also put the inner LED lights in the middle. When the room lights off, we want to take something out, so you can see very clearly at what you want to take out. Yes.
When the cabinet is higher and we want to carry the things out, and we can put the
so you can move.
Yes.
And you take what
Easy
you want.
to carry what you want.
Yes, you push. Then that's it. Yeah. Okay. So this is what we show you today, and we're going to show you more things and more super things in our next show. Okay.
Okay. See you next
Okay.
time.
See you next time. Remember to follow us. Okay.